Hi, I'm Prabhakaran, and this is MCP Time Traveler, my Frankenstein project for the Kiroween Hackathon. The idea is simple. Developers often need to recreate an old environment, maybe to debug legacy code or show other developers what tech looked like years ago. But what versions actually existed in 2017 or 2020? MCP Time Traveler solves this. You pick a language, a framework, and a year between 2015 and 2025. The system generates a historically accurate stack, runtime versions, framework versions, and optional extras. Here's a quick demo. I'll generate a node.js plus express stack for 2020. You can see the results instantly, all pulled from real registry history. There's also Haunted Mode. It highlights low confidence packages. Anything unclear or missing from registry history gets an orange warning. Perfect for a Kiroween themed UI. Under the hood, this is a REST API that fetches real data from NPM, PyPy, and Ruby gems, runs an intelligent version picking algorithm, and returns confidence scores. Now here's where Kiro AI comes in. I wrote detailed specs in .kiro/specs, over 500 lines defining flows, data models, error cases, and MCP tool schemas. These specs guided the entire build. Two hooks supported development: gen scaffold to regenerate structure when specs changed pre-commit to catch type errors before commits. These ran multiple times and kept the project aligned with the specs. A structured coding style.md kept all generated code consistent, small functions, explicit types, clear naming. Kiro followed these rules as it generated components. The MCP server exposes a tool called getHistoricalStack. Inside Kiro, you can ask, what did a Python stack look like in 2018? Kiro calls the MCP tool and returns real historical data. No guessing. Why Frankenstein? Everything here acts like a single stitched together creature. The MCP server is the brain, the Express API is the heart, and the registry adapters are the limbs reaching across ecosystems. The version picker is the eyes, the React UI is the skin, and the shared TypeScript types form the nervous system that keeps it all working together. And the real soul of the creature is Cairo, its specs, hooks, and steering bringing everything to life. Each part was built separately, then wired together until it came alive. As a solo developer, Kiro acted like a second engineer, scaffolding code, enforcing standards, regenerating structure, and keeping everything consistent with the specs. This is MCP Time Traveler, a tool that lets you travel back in time and rebuild the past with accuracy. Thank you.